We would like to think that girls run the world, but the data says something else entirely. If we look at the statistics, we're working within the bridging the gender digital divide, and actually what's happening is it's increasing. Women have significantly, why is this thing moving so fast? Women are contributing significantly less to AI research, to policy and development. Excuse me, can I please get the slides back? All the way back, all the way back. So what are we doing at GirlHype? Our sole focus is on women and girls. We're working on bridging the gender digital divide, driving digital transformation and enablement for economic development in this way. We work with evidence-based solutions, providing financial and technical support to scale proven initiatives, and then also influence towards policy and advocacy, working with our strategic partners who are the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, AEC, and the UN. We also work with private sector in enabling this change. We foster collaborations to collaborate with public and private society actors, advancing GirlHype's vision through shared resources to drive economic change, collaboration, and activity. Our aim is, of course, through a combined hands-on approach, academic and industry, to drive towards change in narrative in society and to enable for women to be better economic players, problem solvers, collaborators, and leaders. So how we do this is through various methods, including our code clubs in high schools, our innovation programs, incubation for training of entrepreneurs, especially from the township. So we focus a lot on township and rural areas. We work a lot on digital connectivity and creating and ensuring that there is increased connectivity in areas. So this affordable access to digital tools and services, starting from the internet. For example, what we would do is we would go to a remote area, collaborate with private sector to put internet infrastructure into the area, so bring Wi-Fi, and then train teachers, skills, scholarships, programs, recruitment, and then also leave the community with a digital skills program, so that once we've gone in, we've invested into the area, it's now connected and enabled into the fourth IR. There are skills programs that run in this. We work with safety and security online, data and insights to ensure that our delivery is effective. So how can you get involved? You can be part of our community of practice. You can collaborate in mentorship, in programs, in delivery. We are looking for funds also to run our projects and initiatives into 2025, strategic funding partners, where we bring in our funding and meet each other in the middle to create sustainable impact.
So much.
This got turned off. How do you measure success?
Okay, we measure success in a number of ways. Number one, it would be in impact, in actual people trained. So currently we're working on just shy of 100,000 for 2024. And we have collaboratively trained over 1 million women and girls. And in 2025, we're looking to bridge over the 100,000 mark, and basically working towards 2 million by 2030. So that's the one measurement. The other measurement is in profits, in grants secured, in funding secured. So actual tangible, what measurement did we output in investment, and how did that bring profit back into the company? But we are, at the core of our operations, we do use a sustainable impact measurement model. Social sustainability and less environmental sustainability, which we do focus on.
I just want to expand on that last point you mentioned financially in the profit model. Is that profit going into the people that you're training in the businesses that they are creating, or is you talking about profit for your own entity?
Okay, so we have profit going into the businesses in the people that we're training. And one of our models for next year on the private institution side, where we actually re-registering with our strategic partner, who is MECSITA, as a private university. So within the next few months, we would have moved from the NPC side, the PTY business side, and then now into a private university TVET model. So that would be self-sustaining and it would be largely for profit. But the rest of the businesses are both models. So some goes to ourselves and then some goes into the
Thank
sustaining
you
the
so
business.
much.